More ammonia. Single one. I think this was in here. Was this in here? Let's find out. That looks like a match safe. That is a match safe. You can see the striking ribs there. So you put little matches in there. I'm going to call it a match safe. It's silver. It's cute. Whatever. Is what it is. I think it was in here. Put it back in. Let's see if I can figure out how to close this. There. That's one. Okay, I'm not going to mess with this too much. Tabloid brand first aid. Manual, but it's got a handle. Something different. We will run out of space on this counter for sure. Nice little box. Stethoscope? Sorry, a microscope is what I'm trying to say. Well, that's certainly old. That's pretty cool, actually. No maker on it. That's very neat. Portable microscope. For when you need it. Hopefully you don't. Kind of cool.